Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify row-level security effects in Snowflake Analytics, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To verify row-level security effects in Snowflake Analytics, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the database where your data resides. Open the worksheet interface to run SQL queries. Identify the relevant table that contains the data you wish to analyze. Ensure that row-level security policies are already implemented on that table. To check the current policies, use the command show row access policies. Review the output to confirm the active security policies associated with your table. Now, you will want to test the effects of these policies. Start by creating a sample user role for testing purposes. Assign this role to a test user with limited access permissions. Next, switch to the test user role in your Snowflake session. Run a select query on the target table to retrieve data. Observe the results carefully to determine if they align with the expected outcomes of the row-level security policies. If the results show restricted data access according to policy definitions, the enforcement is functioning correctly. For deeper validation, create various user roles with different permissions. Repeat the select query for each role to assess the variation in data visibility. Analyze the results to ensure that each role reflects the appropriate row-level security constraints. If discrepancies arise, review the row access policies for potential misconfigurations. Consider adjusting the policies if they do not meet your security expectations. As an additional verification step, you may also test the impact of different filtering conditions. Run queries that include filters on columns involved in the row-level security policies. This helps to confirm that the security policies work effectively with filtered datasets. Document your findings, noting any specific behaviors or anomalies encountered during testing. Finally, communicate these results with your team for further review and validation. This process ensures that row-level security is correctly configured and enforced within your Snowflake Analytics environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.